Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about how to fix the C422 error. But first, what does this error code mean? The C422 error code on your Samsung AC indicates a problem with the fan motor of the outdoor unit. If this occurs, the outdoor unit cannot release the heat outside, which can result in overheating that may ultimately damage the AC. The following are some of the common causes of this error: poor wiring, damaged fan blades, or a blockage. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the error. Fix the wiring. Inspect the connection between the motor blades and the units. Check for any damages or loose wires. If they are damaged, fix them. If they're loose, tighten them. Inspect the fan blades. Check that the blades are not damaged and open the front panel and inspect them. If damaged, they have to be replaced by a professional. Clean out any dirt or debris. The unit may be blocked due to dirt and debris. Clean out the area and restart the AC. If all these steps don't work, contact a professional. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.